Ready to take your accounting global? Let's dive into setting up an import and export company in Peachtree Accounting 2012. First, open Peachtree Accounting 2012 and select Create a New Company. We're starting fresh to build our international trade powerhouse. Follow the setup wizard, entering your company name, submitting like Global Trade Solutions and relevant business information. Now, let's customize the chart of accounts. Navigate to maintain, then chart of accounts. Add accounts specific to import, export, such as duties and tariffs, expense, freight in, and foreign exchange gains, losses. This ensures accurate tracking of international transaction costs. Next, configure your vendors and customers. Go to maintain and select either customers or vendors when entering data for international partners. Be sure to specify the correct currency under the payment terms. Peachtree will prompt you to set up the necessary currency conversions. For handling foreign currency transactions, when entering invoices or bills, select the appropriate foreign currency. Peachtree will automatically calculate the equivalent value in your base currency using the exchange rate you input, making record keeping much easier. Finally, leverage Peachtree's reporting features to monitor your international trade performance. Generate reports like sales by country, profitability analysis, and foreign exchange gains and losses to gain crucial insights into your company's global financial health. Now you are all set to manage the finances of your global import and export business.